Hello and welcome to HouseLux Estate, your reliable source for all things tech and engineering. We're here to guide and enlighten you on your journey into the fascinating world of software engineering. Whether you're an aspiring coder or simply curious about the intricacies of the digital realm, this is your one-stop hub for insightful content. So buckle up and get ready for an enlightening journey. Today, we're uncovering the top 10 things you need to know before becoming a software engineer. First things first, understanding what software engineering is all about. In essence, software engineering is the application of engineering principles to design, develop, maintain, and evaluate software. It's a discipline that combines a deep understanding of computer science with the creativity of problem solving. A software engineer is like an architect for digital structures, building applications, systems, and software that keep our world running smoothly. They work in a range of industries, from healthcare to finance, creating everything from the apps on your phone to the systems that allow airplanes to fly. But don't be mistaken, software engineering isn't just about writing code. It's about understanding a problem and designing a solution that is efficient, flexible, and robust. It's about creating software that not only function as intended, but also can be maintained and scaled over time. Software engineering is more than just coding. It's about problem solving and building efficient solutions. Secondly, the importance of a solid foundation in math and logic. As a software engineer, these two areas will be your constant companions. Mathematics, particularly areas like algebra, calculus, and statistics, play a crucial role in understanding the language of computers. The logic, on the other hand, is the driving force behind every algorithm you'll create. Think of it this way. If math is the vocabulary, then logic is the grammar of the programming language. Together, they form the syntax of the digital world. Whether you're developing a simple application or a complex system, you'll need to use mathematical models and logical reasoning to solve problems and make decisions. From creating algorithms to understanding data structures, these skills are indispensable. So even if you're not a math whiz or a logic guru, don't fret. With practice and patience, you can build a solid foundation in these areas. Without a good grasp of these, you might face difficulties in understanding complex algorithms and data structures. Thirdly, the significance of continuous learning. In the dynamic world of software engineering, standing still is moving backward. The technology landscape evolves at such a rapid pace that skills and knowledge become obsolete almost as quickly as they are acquired. It's like trying to hit a moving target. Therefore, as a software engineer, your education doesn't stop once you've earned your degree or landed your first job. It's a lifelong commitment to learning, growing, and adapting. This continuous learning is not just about staying relevant. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, about innovating and driving change. It's about being at the forefront of a field that shapes our world in ways we can't even imagine yet. So whether it's mastering a new programming language, understanding a new software architecture, or grappling with the latest developments in artificial intelligence, remember this: in software engineering, the learning never stops. Fourthly, the necessity of good communication skills. Now let's debunk a common myth. Software engineering isn't a profession for lone wolves. It's a field that thrives on connection and communication. As a software engineer, you'll be collaborating with clients who may not speak the language of code. You'll need to express complex technical concepts in a way that's digestible to the layperson. Furthermore, you'll be part of a team, working with other engineers, designers, and project managers. Clear and effective communication will be the key to your team functioning like a well-oiled machine. And let's not forget the stakeholders. They'll want updates, they'll have questions, and they'll need your expertise to understand the implications of certain decisions. In these instances, your communication skills will be invaluable. Being a software engineer isn't a solitary job. You'll need to interact and communicate effectively. Fifthly, the need for patience and perseverance. As you delve into the world of software engineering, you'll quickly realize that it's not always about the instant gratification of solving a problem. It's about the journey. It's about wrestling with a challenging piece of code, sometimes for hours, and the sweet victory that comes when it finally works. Imagine this. You're debugging a piece of code. You've been at it for hours. Your coffee has gone cold, and the lines on the screen are starting to blur. It's tedious, it's frustrating, but guess what? It's part and parcel of being a software engineer. This is where patience and perseverance come in. They're your steadfast companions, guiding you through those long, often solitary hours. Patience allows you to endure the process, to embrace the fact that you're learning even when it's tough. Perseverance keeps you going, pushing you to crack that code, to find that elusive solution. Remember, in software engineering, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a necessity. Sixthly, the importance of good organizational skills. As we delve deeper into the world of software engineering, we encounter projects that can be as vast as a sprawling cityscape. And just as a city planner needs a well-structured plan to keep everything in order, so does a software engineer. In this digital era, managing time and tasks effectively is no longer an option, it's a necessity. Projects often have multiple components, each with its own set of deadlines and priorities. A well-organized engineer can juggle these elements, ensuring that nothing falls by the wayside. Being organized also leads to efficiency. It helps in maintaining a clear picture of the project's progress, identifying potential bottlenecks, and mitigating them promptly. In turn, this reduces stress levels, increases productivity, and ultimately contributes to the overall quality of the project. Organizational skills extend beyond personal benefits. They can influence the dynamics of the entire team, fostering a more collaborative and productive environment. Remember, good organizational skills can mean the difference between a project's success or failure. Seventh, the value of teamwork. In the world of software engineering, most projects aren't a solo act. They require a symphony of minds, each contributing their unique skills and perspectives to create a well-rounded product. As an engineer, you'll often find yourself as a part of a larger ensemble, where each member has a crucial role to play. Working well with others isn't just about getting along. It's about understanding different perspectives, leveraging diverse skills, and integrating various approaches. It's about sharing knowledge, learning from others, and creating something more significant than the sum of its parts. Every successful project is a testament to the power of collaboration and collective problem-solving. As an engineer, your ability to work in a team, to communicate effectively, and to collaborate smoothly will be just as important as your technical skills. So embrace the power of teamwork, because in the end, it's the teams that make the dream work. Remember, together everyone achieves more. Eighth, the relevance of a portfolio. Picture this. You're a promising software engineer, brimming with knowledge and skills. But how do you showcase this to the world, and more importantly, to potential employers? That's where a portfolio comes in. Think of it as your personal showroom, a curated collection of your work that highlights your strengths and showcases your projects. Your portfolio isn't just a list of your past works, but a testament to your capabilities. It's a tangible proof of your problem-solving skills, your creativity, and your ability to bring ideas to life. It's your story, told through your projects. Remember, every project you add to your portfolio is a stepping stone towards your dream job. It's not just about quantity, but the quality of your work. A well-crafted project can speak volumes about your skills. So start building your portfolio today. It's an investment in your future. A strong portfolio can be your ticket to your dream job. Ninth, the importance of ethics in software engineering. Just as in any other field, ethics play a significant role in software engineering. It's not just about creating efficient and effective code. It's also about ensuring the applications and systems we develop are used responsibly and ethically. As software engineers, we hold the keys to digital innovation, but with that power comes a great responsibility. We must consider how our work can impact society and individuals. This includes respecting privacy, ensuring accessibility, and avoiding harm. It's about creating technology that is inclusive, fair, and does not contribute to harmful practices or misinformation. These responsibilities also extend to our interactions with colleagues and clients. We must uphold integrity, honesty, and respect. After all, our work is not just a reflection of our technical skills, but also of our character and values. Being a software engineer also means being a responsible and ethical digital citizen. And finally, the reality of job market competition. Picture yourself in a sea of software engineers, each with their own set of skills, experiences, and talents. This is what the job market looks like today. It's a bustling, competitive arena where only the best and the brightest shine. It's a place where your unique capabilities and the value you bring to the table matter. Now, standing out in this sea of talent isn't about being the smartest or the most experienced. It's about showcasing what makes you unique. It could be your problem-solving skills, your knack for innovative thinking, or your ability to work well in a team. Whatever it is, it's your ticket to standing out in this competitive market. Remember, in this ever-evolving industry, staying stagnant is not an option. There's always something new to learn, a skill to master, a problem to solve. So, set yourself apart. Strive for excellence and never stop learning. And there you have it. The top 10 things you need to know before becoming a software engineer. From understanding the field, cultivating a strong foundation in math and logic, to the significance of continuous learning. We've also covered the necessity of good communication skills, the value of teamwork, and the importance of ethics in this field. Remember, it's a competitive job market, so let your passion fuel your perseverance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.